Waiting for it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. It's basically a flow trail in the beginning. Whew, it's dusty. Easy killer. What happened there?
Bounced off. That was going so good too.
Damn, that would have been a sick follow video. Oh, this is the thing, right?
Yeah. I got this too. You got a good line down there?
Look at this line.
Fantastic.
I don't, what, you just like slipped on something.
Yeah. Not the line I wanted.
Oh, that's sketch.
Keep going?
Yeah. Calm your tits, bro. Is this your first day riding a bike?
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. I have not stopped falling yet. Fuck!
Oh my god. Oh.
Wow.
This should make Ben's day.
Okay.
It's okay. We've all had our our things today.
Fuck the actual fuck.
Too much stoke, man. Too much stoke.
Oh, now I'm in a fucking hole. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Jesus.
Alright. Sit down. Nice and slow. Ugh. Oh gosh. What is this? Oh. Okay. Nice little cheater line.
You want me to keep going?
Yeah, you're good. I mean, if you're good, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm sorry about all that shit. I don't know.
That's fine. It's gonna make for a good video.
I was literally falling for like 10 seconds.
You've been falling the entire trail, bro.
Kind of.
Wow, this is dusty. Oh, they cleaned this up a little bit.
Alright.
Oh yeah, new line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. What a beaut. Ow. Come down to the left. Ow. Up this way. I'm lost already. It comes over here. Slow. Slow, slow. Ooh. Okay, here's the hard part. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, this is hard. Holy shit. This is really hard. How in the hell? All right, we're coming back for that off-camber section. That's a tough one. Even this whole trail is pretty tough. Yesterday I did this. There. I think I did that.
Sorry, I just really wanted to be on flat ground.
Oh. Okay, Ripper Redemption. Getting real dark. Wow, it's dark. Loose rocks out here trying to get me. Oh my God, I'm fucking tired.
My leg burns so fucking bad.
Yeah.